Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Tonight we are driving the brand new Lynk Co 02, one of the most interesting electric car in 2025 with a pretty good price, great offer, built on the same platform as Volvo EX30, Smart #1 and Zeker X. Interesting car. I wouldn't expect to like it so much after I drive it for 2 days now, and I wouldn't expect to have such a beautiful lighting system. Exterior, interior light look gorgeous. The exterior lights look really incredible, and overall there are so many elements on this Lynk Co 02 which look like a premium, super expensive car, including this super nice, interesting ambient light that has a nice, interesting playing. I really love it. And also if you go in the front, the same story, it has a nice interesting light. Anyway, I will have some videos with it on the daytime, full review, interior, exterior, technical data, all the data about the car you will find out in that video, and also a test drive in the daytime where I explain you exactly how the car works, how regenerating brake work, we check the consumption, and we talk a little bit more about suspension, we go on the highway and so on. In this video we will basically enjoy driving it in the nighttime, and I want to show you also the headlamps, which are adaptive headlamps down here, full LED on the top of the range version. So yeah, basically they install it down here. This is the new trend these days, to install the headlamps on the lower end. They are very bright, very white, but we will talk also in a separate video. LED light down there, we have LED light up here, and it's so fancy. You can make it brighter or less brighter, just like that. You have also panoramic glass roof, ambient light on the rear, ambient light down, ambient light here, infinity light they call it. And this infinity light, depending on which driving mode you are, you can see that the lights which basically change the color. Sport mode, this is individual mode, and this is blue in comfort, and eco it's green. Super cool stuff. Otherwise, this is the low beam, high beam, this is the way it looks. You can put it on auto. If you pull it, if you push it, it goes back to normal. Otherwise, different driving modes. If you go in the settings here, you can switch between the driving modes. You can switch on a one pedal drive. It comes with one pedal drive. It comes with different driving modes. Also, let me go back. Assistance systems, it has pilot assist, like level 2 autopilot, lane changing assist, a lot of safety features on the car which came standard. It's incredible in this price range. It comes with a map. Right now it's on the dark mode. I like very much the fact that this car the screens have two different modes, day mode and dark mode and night mode. Also climatic system, you can stop it very simple from here. And then in the daytime you have white background, and then in the nighttime you have dark background, and you can also go a little bit lower like that. You can make it completely dark. That doesn't bother you to your eyes. You can kind of configure it the way you want it. It comes with auto hold function, all the safety features that you have these days on the premium cars. You have it also here in the car, which is impressive, and I like that. Heated seats, of course, you can activate it from here. Otherwise, what I want to show you, you can also switch the graphics here. You can go to sport mode, you can go to map mode if you want to see the full map. I will leave it on the map just like that. It looks great in the nighttime. And then I will reset the consumption and we will drive it a little bit. And as I drive, of course, I will give you more details about the car. So let me reset the consumption. How we reset it, just press this button and then done. Right now it's reset. Here is the stalk. You go down in drive and let's drive the car. Turning circle is great. Regarding the technical data, I don't think it makes any sense to talk about the technical data because I will leave it anyway in the description of the video, and anyway I have a separate videos about that. I will give you some data as we go in the video. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. This is the way it looks, but I don't want to lose time with those data. It has only one electric motor on the rear. It comes only as rear wheel drive, 272 horsepower. The range of the car around 445 kilometers, but in the city Lynk Co said that you can reach 590 kilometers in the perfect conditions, which is great. What else? It's important. We have independent MacPherson suspension on the front and independent multi-link on the rear. Great suspension. They are pretty good setup to be more comfortable than to be sporty. But in the same time, when you put it in sport and when you have the steering wheel a little bit stiffer, because you have the lower center of gravity, that it's heavy because of the battery, the car have pretty good comfort and pretty good stability, so it sits really well on the road. Also, it's very silent. I'm super surprised the fact that I have the 20-inch rims. On the top of the range version come with 20-inch rims, on the entry level with 19, but I'm surprised with those 20. The car, it's quite comfortable. I think with 19 it's even better. And not only that it's comfortable, but it's pretty silent from the tires, and this is great. Also, very good visibility outside, and even though we don't have double glass, the glasses are a little bit thicker, and the sound insulation in the cabin, it's very good. It's overall very good, I would say. I like it. I was impressed. I was skeptical in the beginning when I take the car and to test drive to see the car, but now after I see it, I'm definitely impressed with the quality and with the driving feeling. At least it's impressive, and also you feel like you're driving a more expensive car. You feel like you're driving a Volvo or something like that. It's pretty good build, pretty good all-arounder, great on the city, great on the highway. Also, when you turn the signal at low speeds, you see those cameras around here. Headlamps are great. This is the main reason why we are doing this test drive, right? Because of the headlamps. And to be honest, they are really good. They are very bright. It's a white bright light, which help you in the nighttime. We will go also on the dark street so we can see it a little bit better, but overall I can say that it's pretty good. Now if we switch the driving mode, you can see the color right now in sport. The color is changed, but also the car, woo, the acceleration is much more responsive, and it's a pleasant it's a pleasant acceleration. It's a pleasant suspension and configuration of the seats. The seats are made in ecological leather, but it's a softer ecological leather. Even here, going over those bumps, it feels lovely. It feels quite solid. The suspension and the articulation of the suspension and all that parts are feeling extremely good build. Let's go right around here. Now, one pedal drive, one of the biggest invention ever. It is on this Lynk Co 02, which is great, man. But I love how agile the car it is. How easy you go around in the corners. How easy you go around in the city. It's so agile, and it feels so light. Even though it has 1,820 kilograms, it feels so light. (180 km/h is the top speed of the car. 5.5 seconds 0 to 100, more than enough. 17.1 kilowatt-hour consumption. (19.1 centimeters the ground clearance, by the way. It's super enough for every situation. And also you have a tall driving position. I feel like I'm sitting quite high on the seat, so I have a good visibility around the car. I see very well what's going on around the car, which is very good. And right now in sport mode it's quite quick. It's pretty sensitive, the acceleration, so the car is reacting quite quick if you press the acceleration. You can see right now it's a little bit darker here, so you can see the headlamps, how they are going a little bit wider on the side, which is great. So I can see also a little bit on the side, which is very good. but I want to switch the driving mode. I think I have a mosquito on the legs. I want to change the driving mode to comfort because I want to have the steering wheel a little bit lighter in the city. It's much more easier. It's much more pleasant to drive. I love this steering wheel on comfort or eco mode. It's much more softer, but lovely headlamps. And they are not going too much higher. That's good as well. And the car is producing also a sound, so the people around you know that it's a car, which is good. Good visibility here on the screen. You see immediately when you start, you produce a sound, because many people cannot hear you. You see, you have also this ambient light. When you turn the signal in the nighttime, it's great that if you go right, you see, you have this playing light. It's turning from the blue or whatever color it is to this light turning signal indication. Plus, what is interesting is the fact that you can make this light dancing on music, on the rhythm of the music, which is very interesting. And also when you use the voice command, for example, look at this.
Hello.
How many degrees are outside?
Currently it is clear in London with a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. Today it will be clear with temperatures between 19 and 32 degrees Celsius.
You see how cool is that, with green just like that playing around? Awesome.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right
I want to go on this road because it's completely dark, but it's that car in front, which I cannot show you the headlamps. Now I can show you.
Okay,
This
let
is
me
the
play it for
headlamps.
you.
So
I'm
you can
sorry,
see it right
but
now.
I can't help you with that right now. I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Okay, stop.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Okay, I can stop here, just like that. Yeah, it's very interesting. Very interesting. The fact that you have this ambient light with this playing rhythm on your voice, which is great. You see, that's the high beam, that's the low beam. This is the way it looks in the completely dark. It's very good. Very good. The brightness of the light is very good. So yep, check. Light system, check. High beam again. Whoa, look at this. It goes all the way in the front, all the way to the buildings. Look at this. It's incredible how bright it is. It's very good. In terms of brightness, it's perfect from my point of view. And we will turn it around as well. Look at this again. Quite bright. Okay, we will turn around here. I guess that was the perfect test around here regarding the lights. I want to turn around the car. Also, you have this 360 degrees camera, which work very good in the nighttime. You can see it right here. Also, steering wheel on light, very nice. I see someone, it's cleaning the window before, not so good from the interior. This is it. That's the low beam and high beam. This is it on the dark street. That's what you can expect. Wow, it's good. It goes all the way up on the buildings, but also in front. It's extremely good. Now it's on auto. Now I leave it on auto, and now the car should switch automatically between low and high beam. So if you go around here, that's the low beam, that's the high beam. This is the way it looks. Low, high beam. Ooh, it's so strong. It's really nice and strong. Really strong. Yeah, anyway, I think it's enough. I think you make an idea already about the lights. I will have another video where I am not going to talk, also driving in the nighttime, So if you want to see a little bit more driving in the nighttime, lights and so on, definitely check out that video as well. But overall, pretty surprising. I didn't expect to be that good. Yeah, definitely deserve the title for best electric car in Romania in 2025. Of course, there are so many good cars, but this one is pretty solid. This Lynk Co 02 is pretty solid. I can definitely say that. Going in reverse. Let me show you one more time here. It's low and high. Yo, nice. Anyway, forward, press the brake, backward, parking the car, extremely easy, just like that. Going around here, this 360 degrees camera can show you around. Where did you park? So cool. Put it in park. You want to know the consumption? Yes, you want to know the consumption. It's 17.6 kilowatt hour. Quite good number. That was all, guys. Low beam, high beam, this is it. Low beam, high beam. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some useful information from here. Look at this light, man, this is my favorite light. Brighter, lower. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope the video was useful. Yeah, pretty solid headlamps, nice ambient light, nice pleasant feeling driving the car in the nighttime. Lynk Co, great job, you're doing really great. Keep it going just like that, guys. For more info, definitely check out the test drive in the daytime. Definitely check out the full review of the car, and I will have a series of videos with this Lynk Co 02. Well deserved to check it out, and well deserved to go for a test drive, because I think you will be impressed. After you do the test drive, come back, please tell me if I was right or not, because I'm really interested to hear your feedbacks. Thank you to all of you that watching my videos, really appreciate. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, stay safe, and we see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.